sitting the comfortable posture in the Sukhasana, Siddhasana and Vajrasana. After that, both hands on your knee joint, gently close your eyes and observe yourself completely, total awareness with your breath. Feel breathe, inhale and exhale. Just observe your breathing. Don't do nothing. You are observer, so you observe your breath. Try to relax your body, relax your physical body, relax your mental body, then relax your spiritual body. Then take a deep breath, inhale and start the Om chanting 3 times. Then inhale again, breathe. Then Guru Mantra. Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Gururadevo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat. Then rub your palm together. After the palm, gently touching your eyes. Then in front of the eyes, in front of the hand, of the eyes, and open your eyes, looking your hands, and raise your hand up. Then come back. Then relax yourself. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Observe yourself. Then we will try to chanting 3 times. Today we have 3 times Mahamrityunjaya mantra. After that we have Soham meditation. So we will start the 3 times Mahamrityunjaya mantra. After that Soham meditation we will start. Take a deep breath, inhale and start. Om Trembakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mratyormokshya Mamritat. Om Trembakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mratyormokshya Mamritat. Om Trembakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mratyormokshya Mamritat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Then relax yourself and just close your eyes and observe your breath and try to connect yourself through the breathing. Total awareness with the breath. Feel inhale natural breath and exhale natural breath. Don't do nothing. You are an observer, so observe yourself and observe your breath. Inhale, breathe, exhale. Breathe, inhale, breathe, exhale. Inhale, breathe deeply, deeply. Exhale, breathe deeply and long. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. And whenever we take the inhale breathe, we chant the mantra So. And exhale your breath. So. And exhalation. Inhalation breathe. So. Exhalation breathe. Inhalation breathe. So. Exhalation breathe. Continue. Inhale, breathe, and exhale, breathe, and chant the mantra. Inhale, so. Exhale, Continue. So. Um. So. Um. So. Then relax. Complete relax your body. Feel the silence and relaxation and calm and peace in your inner side. After that, we visualize our third eye on your between your both eyebrows. We reach and concentrate that place completely and try to observe and look on your third eye. Try to reach completely on the Chidakasha in your third eye and visualize the Chidakash. Don't do nothing. Only you are an observer. So you observe your third eye between your eyebrows and try to connect yourself completely and reach there. Just look inside, inside, inside. Total awareness with yourself, total awareness with your breath, total awareness with your thought process, past and future and present. So release your past and try to release your future and be with when in the present moment. So you completely try to connect yourself in the present. Then we visualize the divine light in our third eye. The divine light is sparkling and spreads divine light in our whole forehead. We feel the divine light raises the spreading in our forehead slowly, slowly. The divine light is spreading in our heads, then ears and forehead and head and forehead, after that complete face, eyes, cheeks, both lips, teeth, nostrils. I spread the light in our whole face and feel our aura face, auras, broad, spreading the light in our complete face. After the feel light and positivity in our face and smile over our face. Then we visualize our neck, spread the light in our neck, feel the positive energy in our neck. Then shoulder joint, and palm, and fingers and thumb. Hold both arms we have the many powerful energy in our body, physical, mental, and spiritual.
He goes.
Turan gone.
Yeah, where is he?
Gone. Again net issue.
Okay.
So
What we will do?